Hi there, meet the Endynino new generation garden kneeler and seat, a versatile and foldable gardening bench designed for comfort. This 2-in-1 garden stool easily converts from a seat to a kneeler, protecting your back, waist, and knees while you work. Made from durable 22mm steel pipe, it's lightweight at just over 6 pounds, making it easy to carry around your garden. The upgraded EVA foam kneeling pad is soft and wide, providing extra comfort whether you're sitting or kneeling. Plus, it comes with 2 convenient tool pouches, so you can keep your gardening gadgets close and organized. Adjusting the stool is simple. Just press the button and flip it over for the perfect angle. Enjoy gardening without strain, using this heavy-duty, portable garden bench in a stylish purple color. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.